Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today I have a tip for you that is just really fun if you need a little bit of inspiration. But it can also be great to do with someone else or with kids. Anyone can do it as long as you use your imagination. You'll need a black marker and some color. I will use these Ecoline brush markers, but you can also use any coloring tool like watercolors or markers. I would recommend something that you can quickly create a big shape of color with. So let's color outside the lines and paint first. Use your favorite colors to create random shapes by making blobs of color. Don't think about it too much. Once we fill the page, we will tap into our imagination to see what these shapes could become. Okay, now what do you see? I see a face with a big nose. Can you see it too? Let's draw it. As you go along, think about the features that could fit your surprise character. I'll give him a big grin and an interesting haircut. What's next? Just pick the shape that speaks to you most. Here, if I give this blob a set of legs, it can be a cute creature. And how about giving this oval some curls, ears, and a face? It's so simple yet so effective. This one seems a bit tricky, but it could be some kind of animal's leg. Okay, I am not sure what I'm doing here, but something is happening. This could be an interesting character too. Suddenly the shape becomes an interesting body posture. And accessorizing with a hat and boots is always a good idea. Last one, I'm doing another face, just because it is so surprising and effective. Alright, now it's up to you. Fill a page with colorful blobs and then with your black line, just go on, use your imagination, and I am sure you will come up with some genius characters, monsters, animals, and I don't know what else. So surprise yourself. And if you care to share what you make, I would love to see. Then share it on social media using the hashtag DTTInAction. Have fun!